Hello everyone, good morning. Today we will start a new lesson, areas of parallelograms and triangle. In this lesson, we will see some figure which are standing on the same base and between same parallel line. Now in figure 1, you see ABCD and CDEF standing on the same base DC but not in the same parallel between same parallel line. In this figure also PQRS, MNRS standing on the same base SR but not on the same base. Triangle ABC and DBC standing on the same base BC but not on the same parallel line. Again, triangle PDC and ABCD parallelogram standing on the same base DC but not on the same parallel between same parallel line. Again we see some other figures. It is in your book in page number 154. You will see in this figure ABCD and EFCD standing on the same base DC and between same parallel line DC and AF. Again, you see in figure 2, PQRS and MNRS standing on the same base SR and between same parallel line SR and PN. Again, triangle ABC and triangle DBC standing on the same base BC and between same parallel line BC and AD. In figure number 4, you see parallelogram ABCD and triangle PDC standing on the same base DC and between same parallel line AP. Now we go to the exercise 9.1. See number 1. In this exercise, we only see the figures lie on the same base and between the same parallels. Where they lie on the same base and same parallel lines, we are to write the common base and the two parallels. Now number one, this one. ABCD and PDC standing on the same base DC and between same parallel line AB and DC. Number 2, PQRS and MNRS standing on the same base SR but not on the same parallel line. In figure 3, PQRS and triangle TQR standing on the same base QR and between same parallel line PS and QR. You write base QR and same parallel line PS and QR. Now in figure 4, you see ABCD and PQR not standing on the same base. PQ is smaller than BC. So they lie between same parallel line but they are not standing on the same base. PQ is smaller than BC. Next, number 5 figure, ABCD and APQD standing on the same base AD and between same parallel line BQ. Same base hoga AD and same parallel line AD and BQ. You write in your book, in your copy. Number 6 figure, you see PADS, ABCD, BQRC, all three parallelograms not standing on the same base but between same parallel line. They have different base. So you only write in one, you write yes, they have a same base and they lie between same parallel line. They are not standing on the same they are between same parallel line. 2, number 3 में yes, number 1 yes, number 3 yes, number 5 yes. Otherwise number 2, number 4 and number 6 are not standing on the same rows. Next class we will do exercise 9.2. Thank you.